Today we are going to a mall because there's like a pop store of 17 Miniteen, which is like the equivalent of BT21 but for 17. And then we're going where?
There's a Kia next to it, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
We're still buying kind of stuff for the apartment, so we need to go to IKEA.
Mm-hmm.
And let's see what we eat there.
Yeah, let's see.
So, Chatham plans. We came to have lunch first. Nos dieron esta jarrota con agua. Eso es que era para tomar, pero no. Son para lavar los utensilios que vas a usar. Eso es muy de restaurante chino, que lavas todo con agua caliente. Desde los palillos, los vasitos, todo lo que es pan. Y otra cosa que les quería enseñar es que aquí las mesas siempre tienen como un cajoncito a los lados. Y bueno, normalmente aquí habría de que, no sé, sobrecitos y las servilletas y pues los palillos. Okay, so we didn't record a lot in IKEA because there was like everyone and their mother there, so it was very crowded. And the IKEA is like a maze, you know, like there's no way out until you get to the end. Like you cannot go back. I mean, you can, but there's a lot of people coming on this way, so You have to get to the very end, and that takes you at least 30 minutes. How long were we there?
At least more than 1 hour, maybe 2 hours.
2 hours? That's,
1.5 at least.
I don't know, you lose track of time there. So we didn't record much there. We're gonna give you a little haul of what we bought. Set of plates. They are like not flat plates, but also no bowls. They're just perfect. And the color, amazing.
We got a container for soap, 2 glasses.
Cups.
One is very good.
Oh,
Set.
this was like the best because it's like this Tupperware, you know, and it's glass, so it's better. And it was only like 99
99.
Hong Kong dollars, which is what, like $12?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah, 12 US dollars, so that was good. This thing for the potatoes and carrots. Some hooks for the bags. A little stool. And that's it.
That's it.
So we were also at Podmark, and we got 1 blind box each. I got the Sakura Captor one, and what
I
is
got
it?
this Digimon one. When I was young, I liked this Digimon more than Pokemon. Some options, I think my favorite, Garurumon is my favorite. I even have its small figure when I was young. So
So you want another one?
yeah, I want another one to see the flashback of my childhood memory. Let's see. What is this? Pokemon. It's not the best, but after it evolves, it will be much more beautiful. Your turn.
For me, I think I'm like okay with any of the first 3 and these 2. Oh, maybe she, because she was also like very good. I like her a lot. Let's see. You see it already?
Uh-huh.
Ah,
Oh, okay, cute.
it's cute. So it's okay. It's one of the first ones. I think it's really cute. Yeah, I like it.
I like it too.
Ta-ding. Aquí en Hong Kong hay muchísimas blind boxes. Aquí fue donde se crearon los Labu, creo. Entonces hay blind boxes everywhere you go. Y a mí me llamó la atención este. Es de un puerquito con como un disfraz de osito. Estas son las posibles opciones. Yo creo que me toque el celeste o el beige. O inclusive este medio gris. El que no me gustaría que me tocara, el amarillo. El amarillo creo que se asocia mucho y parece más un pollo que oso. No tiene paquete. You tell me, parece.
Oh, the one you like.
Oh yeah. And that's it. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hola, hoy es martes. Acabo de pasar por una situación muy extrema. Básicamente compré boletos para el concierto de Miniteen en Hong Kong, que es en un mes. Pero me tardé como 3 horas comprando boletos. Me mandaba a hacer fila otra vez porque nada más te daba 10 minutos para entrar, y si en 10 minutos alcanzabas, bien, y si no, otra vez a la cola. Entonces hasta como el cuarto, quinto intento ya me dejó comprar, ya tengo mi boleto y pedí de comer. Pedí comida coreana. Voy a comer mientras veo Try to Survive porque ya soy F1 girly. Y después de eso voy a ir al mall que está por aquí para comprar un mandado por unas cositas que se ocupan para la casa y así. A ver si puedo grabar un poco, si no me da pena. Bye. Aquí pedí un combo que era kimbap normal con traía 4 piezas de boneless y tantito japchae. Ayer en el Seven me compré este té. Este es de mis tés favoritos, entonces me guardaremos eso para después. Y lo más importante que se puede conseguir aquí. ¡Ja! Amamos el kimchi. Hi.
Hi.
Today is the non-official day of bring your girlfriend to work.
To work.
So we are at CUHK, which is basically a lot of trees. So it's finally time to leave. Finally.
It's too early for me still.
Well, I'm not coming back in a while because I'm starting classes on Monday.
That's true, yeah.
So it was nice to come. I'm not gonna be here in a while.
In a while, yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
The campus is really beautiful. There's a lot of trees and humidity, but it's really pretty. Hola, hoy es domingo, vinimos a... Bueno, luego me acompañó a donde va a ser mi escuela para no perderme en el metro. Y ahorita aquí cerca de la escuela está un restaurante mexicano que se ve muy prometedor. Entonces vamos a probarlo a ver qué tal.
Hola.
¿Estás emocionado?
Emocionado, muy how do you say it? Exciting. Emocionado, sí. Very exciting to try Mexican food in Hong Kong. It's first time. We ordered birria y horchata aquí. Y churros. Next time we'll try tacos on Tuesday.
Reportaremos en unos momentos la comida. Adiós. So, what's your review? Do you like it?
I do very much.
What was your favorite?
I think birria is very good.
Birria.
Birria is very good. Yeah,
Los churros también estuvieron muy ricos.
muy ricos. Un poco overpriced though.
Caros.
Un poco, yeah.
Un poco caros.
Un poco caro.
Sí. How much was it? The chur- 88.
$11.
So almost like 200 pesos por 4 churros. No, sí, nos robaron un riñón. But it was good. Yeah. So if you miss Mexican food, this is a good place.
Sí.
Now I'm going to go to the movie theater to watch a K-pop concert. Bye bye.
Muy contento. Corazón contento.
Panza llena.
Panza llena, corazón contento.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Al final te daban el póster, un ticket y una photocard random y me tocó Hison y en la salida estaba una chica con la foto de ella y yo de que yo quiero ese y lo cambiamos y estuvo muy bonito esa interacción.